Hi, Chidimweke here. Welcome to Random Unbox TV. Today I'll be reviewing another device from Leagoo M9. Leagoo M9 was one of the fastest growing Chinese OEMs in the smartphone industry in 2019. The Leagoo M9 is an Android smartphone with 2GB of RAM and 16GB of internal storage. I actually bought this device in 2019, but I was unable to review it in my busy schedule. So I'll be reviewing this device in 2020 and to see if this device is actually worth buying. So before we get right into the full review, I would like you to please subscribe and turn on the notification if not yet done so. And also don't forget to check our website at randomunboxtv.com. Let's get right into the full review. For the design, the body of the M9 is made from plastic with a thin bezel and a 5.5-inch display. There are two front-facing cameras with LED support and two rear cameras with LED support also. At the back of this device, you find a fingerprint sensor. It's located beneath the rear camera sensor. When you open the back of the device, you find a detachable battery with dual SIM card slots, one for micro SIM and the other for nano SIM, and a TF card slot. The Leagoo M9 design comes in three colors: black, blue and gold. So I have the blue color here with me. For the display, the Leagoo M9 features a 5.5-inch ISP display covered by a Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. This is a budget-friendly Android smartphone. The device is a full-screen design with a thin bezel and it delivers an impressive visual experience. With an ISP technology, the Leagoo M9 makes images more vivid and gives a bigger viewing angle, offering true-to-life color reproduction and giving a more impressive display performance. The M9 has an advanced multi-touch panel technology. A total of 5 touch points are supported to achieve perfect touch experience on this device. For the aspect ratio, it has an aspect ratio of 18.9. It has a 260 ppi density. For the camera, Leagoo M9 comes with a mid-level cameras at the front and at the rear. The front camera of the M9 are dual sensors of 5 megapixels and 2 megapixels with LED flash support and an aperture for both sensors at a 2.4 focal length. The rear camera has an 8 megapixels and 2 megapixels with LED flash support. For connectivity, it has all the connectivity options: GPRS, Edge, 3G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and USB. For the performance of the Leagoo M9, it's powered by a quad-core processor ARM MT6580A that runs at 1.3 GHz and graphics chip Mali 400MP2, which easily handles 2D games and most 3D games shutter-free and smooth performance. For the M9, you may need to load down the graphics settings for the latest game. I was able to test out the multitasking on the M9. This device performs above average while surfing the web, watching movies and playing games. The M9 plays most games I tested out on it smoothly on low graphics settings. I noticed the M9 didn't heat up while playing these games, but it may become hot when playing higher graphics games. The speakers on this device perform well, the sound quality is improved without any cracking on the highest volume. For the battery life, with a removable 2850 mAh battery, the Leagoo M9 is average in terms of battery life. On normal use, it will get you throughout the day, and charging on the Leagoo M9 is slow. The battery life on the M9 is not amazing on heavy use while playing games. I tested out the Leagoo M9 battery duration playing online and offline games. For the online games, For example, the FIFA mobile on low setting got me 2 hours plus of gameplay, while offline gaming, for example Spider-Man, got me almost 4 hours of gameplay. For the software, the OS on the M9 is Android 7.0 Nougat and the Leagoo OS 3.0. On the M9, you also find the Leagoo App Store, which is identical to the Google Play Store. So should you buy this device in 2020? If you're looking for a cheap smartphone, the Leagoo M9 is worth your consideration. I would recommend you buy it in 2020 because there are better phones on the same price that are better than the M9. So that's all for my review. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you've never done that, and turn on the notification so anytime I upload a new video you get notified. And also check out our website randomunboxtv.com. Thank you.